So this video is for supine hip flexion PAILs, followed by hip flexion lift offs using the wall here. So what I'm going to do is position myself at a point where I don't feel rotation back in my pelvis. So I'm going to have my right hand underneath the SI joint on the right side. I'm going to flex my hip until I get that rotation at my SI joint in my pelvis. That's the point where I'm going to start my first round of PAILs. We're going to be doing 3 rounds of these PAILs. I'm going to be isometrically driving my heel into the wall, imagining trying to push my foot through the wall so that I feel a contraction through my hamstring. I can either have my knee bent or straight, whatever's more comfortable. I'm going to hold at my greatest, safest effort for 30 seconds. At the end of that 30 seconds, I'm going to very gently relax. After that first round of PAILs, I'll then throw my hand underneath my SI joint. I'm going to lift off, see if I can lift off without any movement occurring at my pelvis here. And then once I find that point where I start to rotate again, we'll scooch in a little bit further. I'll do my second round of PAILs here. Slowly ramp up tension. I also want to make sure that I have tension in my abdominals, my quad, my butt, and this bottom leg as I'm driving that down into the wall to my greatest, safest effort. Holding again for 30 seconds. At the end of that 30 seconds, I'll gently relax again. I'll reassess. Can I lift off without movement there? If I can't, then I'll stay in the same position for my third round. Press down again for my third round of PAILs. Hold for 30 seconds. Very gently relax at the end of that 30 seconds. And then I'll follow these up with some hip flexion lift offs using the wall as my starting point. I'm going to engage my fist, press down into the ground, squeeze my quad, my butt, exhale. Feel my abdominals engage. I'll ramp up tension in my quad here and slowly lift off. Hold at my maximal position of hip flexion here for 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And I'll gently set back down. Maintain that full body tension here or radiation as I go into my second round. 3, 2, 1. And I'll do that for anywhere from 3 to 8 reps, depending on what I'm feeling that day. And you can do 2 to 3 sets of the lift offs after working those PAILs for the hamstrings.